In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Announcement Bar in Squarespace 7.1. The Announcement Bar is a simple, eye-catching strip that appears at the top of your site. It's perfect for promoting a sale, sharing a timely update, or directing visitors to a key page. Let's set it up together so it looks polished and works exactly the way you want. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and opening the site you want to edit. From the main dashboard, head into your site's home menu and choose Website to access your site's content and settings. Next, open the Pages panel. From there, look for Marketing Tools and select it. Inside that area, you'll see the Announcement Bar option. Go ahead and open it. Turn on the Announcement Bar by toggling the Enable Announcement Bar setting. As soon as you enable it, the bar will appear across your site. By default, it inherits your site's design styles, so the font and colors should already match your brand. If you need more contrast for readability, plan to adjust those in your site styles after you've added your message. Enter your announcement text in the text field. Keep it short, clear, and action-oriented. For example, you might say free shipping this weekend or new collection just launched. Aim for one concise sentence so it looks great on both desktop and mobile without wrapping awkwardly. If you want visitors to click through, highlight the relevant words in your message, click the link icon, and add your destination. You can paste an external URL, search for an internal page, or choose a file or email link as needed. This makes the linked text itself clickable, which is great for clarity. There's also a click-through URL field. Adding a link here makes the entire bar clickable, not just the highlighted text. Use this when you want the whole strip to act like a single call to action. If you include both a text link and a click-through URL, remember that the full bar link takes priority for clicks outside the highlighted text. When everything looks good, click Save to publish your changes, then visit your live site and refresh to confirm the bar appears as expected. Check it on mobile too to make sure the message is brief and legible. If you don't see the bar right away, clear your browser cache or try a private window. A few final tips: keep language direct, avoid all caps for accessibility, and consider adding tracking parameters to your links so you can measure engagement. That's it. You've enabled, customized, and published your Squarespace 7.1 announcement bar.